Hey folks, Meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with you. I've got an update on this wintry weather system that's going to be coming through wave country as we go throughout the afternoon and the evening hours. Now, right now, things are too warm in most places for any snow or wintry weather problems, but that's expected to change as we go throughout the evening hours. Let's take you first to the alerts that we have going on across the region from the National Weather Service. There's a winter storm warning that's going to be in effect from noon today, so it's already in effect until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. This covers Orange, Washington, Scott, Floyd, up into Oldham County, Kentucky, Jefferson County, Indiana, Trimble, Carroll, and Henry counties here in Kentucky. The rest of us are under a winter weather advisory as accumulations of snow are not expected to be as heavy. All right, so that's the current alert situation we have. Here's the current radar situation. You'll see that precipitation is moving into our western counties like Du Bois, Orange, on into Lawrence County, Indiana, even into Perry County, Kentucky. We'll take you on up toward Paoli, where you see the rain-snow line pretty much cutting off Orange County and Lawrence County in half. So Paoli seeing rain right now. Areas toward Bedford, Indiana, probably more of a snow situation at the moment. And, of course, this is not heavy snow yet. This is just the leading edge of this system. And because we have so much warm air working northward at this point, it's going to be rain here for at least the next hour or two as we go throughout the afternoon. We'll take you on down to the south. You'll see a heavier area of precipitation, probably rain at this point, to the west of Breckenridge and Perry counties. This will be moving on into Kentuckiana as we go throughout the next few minutes. So you might see some heavier rainfall totals, especially in these areas right here in our western viewing area. Take you to the wide shot and show you where all this snow is right now. And look at Indianapolis, 20 degrees right now. They've got snow falling. But check out Paducah, 39. Here in Louisville, same story, 39 degrees. It's 46 in Bowling Green. That just tells you how much warm air is moving northward ahead of this system. And that's going to be giving us rain for at least the start of this. And that's why to the north of the Ohio River is the best chance for any heavier snow accumulations, because I think the warm air is going to win out across a lot of our area. We'll show you that snowfall total forecast here in just a couple of seconds. Let's get you through the temperatures, though, that we see now here locally. 38 in Fort Knox. There's the 46 again in Columbia. Wow. Temperature sensor in Seymour is not very accurate at the moment, so throw that one out. Bedford, though, is 32 up there. It's right at freezing. The rest of us in the 30s and above freezing at this point. That's good news. Here's the rundown of how things are going to work out. We're going to start as rain here in Louisville. That's going to change to snow as we go throughout the early evening hours, and then by tonight, those temperatures, they're really going to drop, so we're going to have a refreeze threat on the roads, especially because that rain will have fallen. Temperatures fall into the 20s and into the teens. And, of course, that salt doesn't work very well when we get to that point in temperature. So, for the location of the highest snow totals, north of I-64 at this point, around a 2 to 4 inch total up that way. Could see an isolated 5 to 6 inch amount in places based on the latest that we're seeing from some of the short-range models, the very, very short-range ones, and the radar trends. But we'll have to watch that warm air because that could definitely bust up that situation. And, of course, road conditions will be deteriorating as we go throughout the evening. Here's the latest that I think is going to happen here on the snow accumulation map. Looks like just 1 to 2 inches here for areas about central Louisville southward. Here in the downtown area, we could pick up more than that, about a 2 to 4 inch amount northward. And then it's about an inch or less than that as you go from the parkways southward. And that's because we've got all that warm air working in, making most of this rain for you folks. There's that isolated 5 to 6 inch stripe that we could see develop. We're going to have to watch the radar trends throughout the afternoon to see if that indeed does pan out. We'll be here with you with our live blog throughout the afternoon and the evening here. Just go to the Wave 3 News weather blog and we'll keep that updated. Make sure you hit that refresh button so you get the latest information. Be sure to follow us on Twitter and Facebook as well. We'll have the latest coming up tonight on Wave 3 News starting at 5. Thanks for watching. I'm meteorologist Ryan Hoke.